In the turbulent city of New York, 1960s, a new form of artistic expression began to emerge from the shadows. In the melting pot of cultural diversity, young minds yearned for a voice, a medium to express their thoughts and feelings. Enter Taki, 183, a Greek-American teenager, who would become the pioneer of this movement. With a can of spray paint in hand, he etched his tag on subway trains, igniting a spark of rebellion. Taki's tag, a simple yet bold 183, his subway car number, marked the birth of graffiti as we know it today. His actions sparked a movement, inspiring other young artists to follow suit. The vibrant, bold designs of graffiti stood in stark contrast to the monotony of the city, a testament to the creativity and spirit of the youth. As the graffiti movement grew, so did the conflict with the authorities. The city officials saw the graffiti as vandalism, a blight on the urban landscape. However, the graffiti artists saw it differently. They saw it as a form of self-expression, a way to claim their space in the city that often felt indifferent to their needs. In 1971, the city of New York responded with a crackdown, launching a campaign to cleanse the city of graffiti. This only served to fuel the movement further, as the artists saw it as an attack on their freedom of expression. The battle between the city and the graffiti artists raged on for years, with the artists pushing the boundaries of their art and the city trying to suppress it. In the end, the graffiti movement would leave an indelible mark on the city of New York and the world, becoming a symbol of youth rebellion and artistic freedom. Today, graffiti is recognized as a legitimate form of art, with many of the early graffiti artists going on to become renowned artists in their own right. The street art of New York continues to evolve, a testament to the power of art as a means of expression and a reflection of the city's ever-changing culture.